Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Subhasish. Today in this video I will talk about the nested list in HTML. So let's start. Nested list means we will use one list inside another list. So now you can see I have created a file for the program, and here is the general format of the HTML file. Inside the title I will put the text HTML nested list. Now I will put a unordered list of type circle, and inside it I will put the list elements like novel names, color names. Now inside each list element I will put one ordered list in which I will put the names. Now you can see the total program is written in HTML. I will save it and run it. Now after running the program you can see the output of the program. So this is how the HTML nested list works. So if you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Technical Subhasish.